their electronic height adjustable desk featuring a 48 by 24 inch surface, a lifting speed of 1 inch per second with a total lifting time of 18 seconds from bottom to top, 5 control buttons with 2 memory settings for specific heights, and a waterproof anti-scratch material surface for long-term durability, making it a great ergonomic upgrade for your home office or gaming setup. We were very happy with how easy it was to make this setup using TEMPSPACE products. So if you want to copy this setup at home and make your setup game that much better, definitely check the links in the description down below. And special thanks again to TEMPSPACE for sponsoring today.